So hello everyone and welcome to this SAP Shorts video. This is a video where we'll focus a little bit on the user settings that can be changed or modified. I'm just getting into a transaction called Migo, M-I-G-O. Again, here the transaction is of not very big relevance, but something I want to show you that I'm going to modify with the user settings. So if you see this drop down fields here, you can see that these drop downs have some values, and these are mostly descriptions. So there are typically also key values that are attached to the drop down that you are currently not able to see. So this is something we will try and modify via the user settings. And also a lot of times you would like to change your default language, for example, because either you are testing in that specific language or it has been defaulted to a language and you are primarily from a different region altogether, and you always log in from a different language. For example, you are looking to use German always. So let's take a quick look at this option that SAP provides. So within the Logon pad, you have the option of going to the top left, and when you click here you see that this opens up a short pad, and here you need to get into the options, and here you have the facility of changing a lot of items on the SAP screen. For instance, if you want to change the theme, if you want to change the color, you can do that. You can change a lot of interaction design settings. So let's go to visualization. This is where now I am going to try and modify. I want to see the keys on the drop down list, and I also want it to be sorted by the keys, for example. Then you also have other options like multilingual, local data, security. I'm going into the SAP Logon options, and here now I go and change the language. I need to click on apply, and SAP will now ask me to close the session that is already available and open a new session, because otherwise these items won't get applied. So let me now again open the SAP logon pad, and now you see that the language has been updated to German. Let's also take a quick look at the drop down option. Do we now also see the keys? And that would give us an idea that whether this was able to modify those drop downs. You can now clearly see that there are keys also attached to the drop down. It's not only just the description. Of course, the description has now changed to German because the logon language is changed to German, and you can also see the keys that are attached to this field. So hope this helps you. You can also explore other options that we were just discussing about, maybe chop and change, and that will help you set up your SAP screens better. Thank you.